Meaning of lutetium.
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 Lutetium. Lutetium is a chemical element with the symbol Lu and atomic number 71. It is a silvery white metal, belongs to the rare earth elements group of the periodic table, and is the last element in the series. Lutetium has no significant biological role and is mainly used for research purposes and in some industrial applications, such as in catalytic converters for vehicles and in nuclear technology. The element was named after the city of Paris, which was previously known as Lutetia, by the French scientist Georges Urbain in 1907.